All right, this is the Milltronics ML16/40 CNC Teach Lathe. It has a Milltronics 7200 CNC control. All right, take it away, Rob.
Yeah, sure. Just walk around here a little bit. You got the front end, obviously. We'll open the doors right away. And we're under power ready, obviously, as you can see. You come on in, we got the doors open, we got the console right here. We'll play with that in a little bit. Typical 2-axis lathe here, spindle. Kind of pan over to the control here. We're in the main screen, I think, pretty much. That's the main screen. And there's jog. We'll play with this in a couple of minutes. What else? Nothing else up front here. Kind of walk around to the side here, show once around on the machine, and we're running some cycling. Got the disk drives here on the side, floppy drive on the side here, edit key. And coming around the back here on the table, to your left, there's a couple manuals. You come over here. One's the programming manual, that's the electrical schematics. Not much else going on here. The RS port is here for what it's worth. As you come around here, on the rear panel, disconnect, come over to this side. I'll open the door for you here and you can kind of take a look at things. There's the drives down low, the Escalar drives, standard switchgear panel. Some more documentation on the door. I haven't even checked it out yet, so it's fully documented. Good stuff. That's about it back here. Go down to your left here, you'll see the coolant system, which we got out of the way a little bit. This is the boring bar that I took off the tool rest up there just to make sure we didn't have any problems crashing it, because I wasn't sure what programs were in there. Following rest, coolant system, leveling pads. Well, not really leveling pads, but pads. Yeah. Come around easy. Back over this way is the steady rest on the back end. It's open with the tailstock. That's pretty much it on the physical characteristics. It is a hitch and pull type design. If you want to just move in here one, Sean. I haven't done it yet. It's got a little micro switch on here that I guess lines up with the hitch and pull pin right here. So this goes in and out, and that jumps up on that block right there. If you see the hole in there, and that's how you move the tailstock with the Z-axis travel. Let's see, I'll just go with the jog here a little bit, I guess. I got the main screen. I'm in jog right now, as a matter of fact. All these buttons right here mimic these guys right here, so I'm just going to play with these, all 8 of them. Go side to side, and I think this all works off the feed dial. And now I'm going easy, so I'm going to go up to 100% just for the sake of jog here. And X. All works for me. These are nice. These got these D plus X buttons, which are really nice. Kind of like these. And that's pretty much it for that. For what it's worth, we can jump back out of that and go into hand wheel up on the screen. And once I get into hand wheel, that gives me these guys over here. Let me pull this over just to do a quick run through on these. And at what speed? I'm at 80%. Let me go slow. If I want to go slow, there's 20. That's 20. This is nice. So you get the readout on the screen if you can see around my head. But basically, I'm just moving this thing manually. And there's X. That works really nice. So that's good to go there. We leave that alone. What else? Tailstock. We're not cleaning any of that. Just to show a few more features up here. What else is there? Home. I've already homed it. We were in jog, HDW's hand wheel. I'm not going to do MDI right now, but it does show G code or M code, which is kind of nice. Just throws it up there for you for some reminders. We're not going to do any MDI. I'm just going to jump into an auto program that happens to be on here, which is, there's several programs in there already. Oh, display, you can go into graph. There's the last part that I ran right there. I'm not going to leave it at display, but that's kind of a nice little thing to have. To get back into that, we go back in the distance, and that's the main screen right there. So diagnostics is in there, tells you what's on, what's off, which is really nice. And a couple other goodies. Panel push buttons, which ones are on and off. So it's all good stuff to have. That said, on rapid, I'm gonna leave it at 50% rapid for our auto cycle here, because we are sitting up on wood, so I don't really want it to move around this thing really flies at 100%. I'm gonna leave it at a 50%. We're gonna jump into run, and we're going to jump into start. And there's cycle start. It asks you to hit it right there. I'm gonna start off at 20% on the feed. I'll jump it up to 150%. We're cutting air, so really I can go as fast as I want, I guess, here. So here's cycle start right here. Goes back to a 0 position, I believe. Now it's asking me to hit tool reset. It's for change tool. They put that in at the beginning of the program. And there's tool reset. And hang on, let me get out of the screen so I can see my, let's see if we go to cycle start. I say that's rapid at 50%. Let's see what we got here. It shows that. Now I'm going to move the feed speed up a little bit faster. Notice they're using surface speed. You can kind of see and hear the spindle. That's nice. It's going up to about, what is it, spindle 700 top end, maybe? Yes. There's a finish cut right there on the face. A little bit slower on the feed. Spindle's still getting faster. We got up to about 1200, it looks like that. It's back. To restart the whole program again. So I want to abort that. Just I want to get my other screen back up there if I can. And home. No, we don't want that. We want, no. I got into that screen. I don't even want it anymore. Panel push buttons. Let me see if I can get out of this and show the other numbers up there. Jog, I can leave it right there. Let me see, exit, run. I got that stuck up on there and I don't even know how to get out of it, but display, I'm on panel, there, distance, maybe that's it. Yeah, that might be a little bit better. So one more time, I'm gonna hit cycle start here, and it's asking me to change the tool. There's the program coming up, change tool, and cycle start again. To see what's going on with the whole, now we got the whole program sitting up there. And this is like, just tells you where everything's at in general. That's the control. Better look at the control maybe. You can kind of see the numbers, what's happening. We're getting near the end of the control. I'm outside the end of the program here. Now pull back. That's the end of that. And there it is, back to home position, waiting for cycle start again. So, and back to it, escape out of that. And back to that screen. That's pretty much it right there.